let's see how to fix if you can't bold a text in Canva. And for your information, why do people bold their text in Canva? It's because highlighting important information, making the headings or the key points or calls to action stand out. Also, it improves the readability that ensures text is clear and easily noticeable, especially in presentations. In branding and consistency, maintaining brand style with specific bolded fonts as their part of the identity. So, if you can't bold a text in Canva, just simply do this method or step by step. So first I have this text, which is I am not able to bold it. So you have options whether you will delete this text or you will change its font. So in my case, I will just change this font into the same font, which is, for example, right here, close enough. So I am now able to make this text bold. So that's how you fix if you can't bold a text in your Canva. See you soon!